Hi. In this video, we're navigating the audit landscape, uncovering a step-by-step guide to post-audit activities. Join us as we reveal the universal best practices shaping this process. Let's start. Step 1. Review audit outcome and findings. This entails re-evaluation of the observations and discoveries made during the audit. Typical activities: analyze collected data, confirm accuracy, and align findings with objectives. This step lays the foundation for corrections and improvements. Step 2. Document audit report. This involves shaping the narrative of the audit findings into a comprehensive and structured draft document. Typical activities: organize findings, structure recommendations, and draft a comprehensive report. Transform insights into a clear narrative for stakeholders' understanding. Step 3. Share audit report and findings. Communicate the audit results to relevant stakeholders. Typical activities: communicate findings transparently to stakeholders. Present a concise summary, fostering collaboration and understanding among all parties involved. Step 4. If applicable, address corrective actions. Collaborate with the auditee to initiate corrective measures in response to identified findings. Typical activities: collaborate with the auditee, address concerns, and strategize corrective actions. Foster a proactive approach to improvement, ensuring alignment with organizational goals. Step 5. If needed, follow up on the implemented corrective actions. Evaluate the effectiveness of measures taken to address identified gaps. Typical activities: monitor progress, assess effectiveness, and ensure sustained improvements. Transform recommendations into tangible results, promoting a culture of continuous improvement. Step 6. Issue, share, and archive final report. Simply speaking, finalize and close the audit. Typical activities: officially issue the report, share insights with stakeholders, and archive documentation. This marks the culmination, providing a comprehensive record for future reference. Step 7. Take lessons learned. Use newfound wisdom to strategize for enhanced performance in future endeavors. Typical activities: reflect on the audit process, gather insights, and strategize improvements for future audits. Continuous learning and refinement ensure an evolving and effective audit approach. And there you have it. If you find this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Thank you for joining.